So it's 4 years since we started intentionally growing this YouTube channel, and I thought it might be a good time to let you know what's coming next. We're about to hit 50,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, and that really blows my mind. I'm really excited about it, and I can't tell you how grateful I am for anyone who follows our work. Thank you so much for being part of the journey so far, and let me explain a little bit about where we plan to go next. So with YouTube, our channel mission has always been to help people create in new and innovative ways, and that hasn't changed at all. What has changed is I'm doing more of that. We've been primarily focused on iPad sculpting in most of that time because I saw that as a real opportunity to grow something that was very new in the industry, and it seems to have worked, especially with Nomad Sculpt, which is only a few years old now, but it's had such a big impact. It came on the back of Forger app, which was an amazing tool, and it still is, purchased by Maxon, but Nomad has taken it that one stage further with things like real-time rendering and some of the post-processing tools, which are just mind-blowing. Nomad Sculpt has been huge for us. From 2020, we've sold over 10,000 courses in over 100 countries now. There's still a lot we can do with that, so lots more to come. Personally, I've been on an incredible journey as a sculptor and an artist, and I've run SouthernGFX for 15 years in its current state, and we're about to change that. I've worked on lots of really exciting projects in both film, TV, and much more recently on AR and VR projects. And I've now decided to stop doing that side of the business, so I'm not going to be a production artist anymore, and I'm going to focus solely on education. Firstly, I decided to take a master's in extended reality creation tools, and that has led me to take a role in Liverpool John Moores University here in England, and I want to really keep pushing my own learning and my own ability to teach and how to improve how I teach and what I teach. So nothing's really changing in that regard, it's just that I'm doing it professionally from now on. Then of course there's the SouthernGFX creative courses, and they're not changing, we're just going to keep expanding that side of the business. We've predominantly been focusing on the Nomad courses, as I've already said, and that's going to continue. But there's a high demand now for expanding into other areas. And while I have been training for other companies like Nomon, and obviously at companies like Lego and Sky, what I want to do is start doing more courses here internally at SouthernGFX. So we've got new courses coming out in September 2024. During COVID, we were lucky enough to get a grant to be able to work with Gravity Sketch and look at some of their collaborative tools. So we want to continue that work, and those of you that follow me will know that I do really like working both collaboratively and in VR with programs such as Gravity Sketch, but also with Adobe Modeler now. Around the corner, and hopefully by the time you're watching this, ZBrush for the iPad is out, which is a massive change for that program, and I've used ZBrush for 25 years. Now moving into mobile is a fantastic leap forward, and let's see how that performs against programs like Nomad and Forger. I'm also going to look at some of the newer modeling tools that are coming to the iPad. So the one that I've chosen to spend a lot of time with is Valence, and that is a full polygonal 3D modeling program which is getting new tools every week. The developer is very active. I'm going to keep working with other top-end creators, and I'm going to keep providing other creative courses. A lot of that will be done via Liverpool John Moores University, but I'm still going to be able to come out and train at facilities around the world. One of the things that we've been teaching for quite some time and not really promoting is digital marketing courses. So if you've already got the artistic skills and you want to market yourself, we're starting to help you on those lines as well. The business side of things for artists is not always talked about, and being able to sell yourself online and get your creative products out there is paramount.
We're excited to announce that we'll be launching a range of courses designed to help you market your creativity effectively. With my background in digital marketing, I'll be sharing valuable insights through courses like growing and monetizing your YouTube channel and marketing your art on social media. Starting next year, we'll also be collaborating with other creative professionals who will bring their expertise to our platform, offering you diverse opportunities to expand your creative skill set.
And this brings me on to research. So I want to understand where I fit in the creative world with AI. It's a very emotive subject and it needs to be researched and talked about. We can't just ignore it. And I'm very much involved with a few projects where we can start looking at the ethics, the morals, and the use cases, and whether we at SouthernGFX are going to be able to get involved with that. I'd love to hear down in the comments what you've been doing with your own development and whether we've been able to help you a little bit along the way, and also what it is you want to do in the future. So please feel free to discuss that down below and let us know if we've helped you create in new and innovative ways. So as I said, thank you for joining us if you've already watched our content, our courses, or our YouTube channel. And obviously we have a lot more to come. Thank you very much.